Hello,
It's been like,
viewers. I'm on Blizzard with David.
hi, Ethan's bad. He doesn't even have Fortune or Silk Touch.
Well, I had a few accidents
Meaning
recently, so I have some minor setbacks.
so he killed himself in a
What?
really dumb way.
Yeah, I died in a dumb way.
hmm He killed himself.
I mean, I could get at least some of my iron gear back with the resources I have, but I'm too lazy to do so.
Iron Gear.
Not everyone's
Yeah.
as rich as you, okay? And I joined much later than you.
I didn't even do anything. I just robbed Andre. Just rob Andre. Like, who wants to do manual work? I mean, I'm doing manual work right now because I have Fortune 3. So it's quicker than scamming someone. I see our name tag.
What?
I see you.
Where?
Here, I'm gonna come over.
No, there's no. You're so far away from spawn, man.
I am.
Exactly.
Diamonds.
Exactly. There's no way.
Oh, it's at least a 4 vein. Oh. Is it just a 4 vein? Bruh.
Well, I once found a 6 vein.
Only 4. Well, why do you sound so happy with the 6 vein?
That was the most I ever found.
What? You know, once I found like a 9 vein?
No,
Okay,
no,
so
I'm pretty sure 8 vein is the only possible thing.
it's not. There's a 10 vein. From the 4. Oh my god, I just got double the amount that I would have gotten with my 4. More diamonds? I found another vein in a cave. Okay, so I'm up to 23 diamonds.
Alright, at this point, I'm just depressed. Alright, my pick just broke. Luckily, I had another one. Wait, why do I have 2 iron picks and 1 diamond pick in my inventory?
Maybe you're hacking.
How dare you suggest I am hacking? How dare
Yeah, if your viewers didn't know, I mean you probably don't have viewers, but Ethan actually controls the server, so he can give whatever he wants to himself.
Yeah, no, I don't even have admin. I don't even own the server, you fool. That'd be Andre who owns it.
Yeah, right. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna retire. 23 diamonds isn't that bad. I'm gonna leave now. Mining is boring.
Bye, kid.
So let's see the results. Mine for 10 minutes got 23 diamonds.
Oh, wait a
Adios.
minute, but you've only been here for like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Bye.
Are you joking with me?
23 diamonds.
Okay, man. Did you leave? Yeah, he left. I guess. I'm on my own now. I'm trying to find something. I'm looking for the chunk border because well, I'm using the chunk borders to find diamonds. You probably won't understand. Lava pops. That does not sound good. Actually, that sounds pretty horrible. Redstone, that was not what I'm looking for. I'm greatly disappointed. Either I was doing the clay block, I was wrong, using the clay block method the wrong way, or I'm just unlucky. For a second, I thought I was gonna fall to my death. I'm eating right now. I wish I could go faster, but I'm out of strength. Oh my god, this is taking so long. Oh my... Alright, at this point I'm just sick of it. Oh my god. I give up.